We're all aware that we want a cleaner, healthier lifestyle. A lot of times that starts with our laundry, believe it or not. You know, how's our laundry end up smelling good? We add other products in there to do that. Fabric softeners, dryer sheets, and we get that mountain mist and that spring fresh smell that we're able to carry along with us at all times. The unfortunate part about those smells is they're obviously done with fragrances. And the word fragrance in America is a proprietary blend that legally doesn't have to tell us what's in there. A lot of times as it hits the air, it's creating formaldehyde and affecting creating other VOCs in our air to breathe in, not to mention the chemicals it's leaving on our body. If we want to have clean clothes, try the Platinum Laundry. Be able to disinfect with ozonated water, truly get the smell out and not mask the smell. Those are good options to be able to do. If you're looking to have something smell good on your clothes, try a little wool ball, put a little bit of essential oil on there, throw it in the dryer. Let's get rid of eliminating those chemicals.